Hi guys, I'm super excited. My 4K dash cam just came in the mail, so I thought I'd open up and show you guys. It's super important to have a camera on your dash so you have evidence and proof of anything that happens, any accidents or anything. You can have proof that you were innocent and what happened. So I'm super excited to finally get one. Here's the user manual. And here is the dash cam itself. The power button. There are controls here. And then inside here are all the cords and all the things you need to install it. Installation cords, a car adapter, and tools you need to install. I'm super excited for this and I'll let you guys know how I like it.